Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of our underbench unit. It's available in 12, 24 or 48 volt, making it very flexible to any power system. At the same time, it is ready for 8000 BTU. We would recommend installing it on rigs shorter than 18 feet, something like a 144 Sprinter or smaller rigs. Then let's take a look inside. As you can see, the unit is super easy serviceable. It's held down by a couple of straps and you can pull it out without any special tool, just like that. All right, so this is what the inside the AC looks like. So this you got your evaporator, your condenser here, and the two super quiet fan. When it runs, you can barely hear them on the low setting. And this is our twin rotor compressor and the controller here. Everything is super easy to access and work on yourself if anything goes wrong. Here's the intake of your condenser and the hot air goes out from there. We will supply you with 4 feet of 6-inch ducting that connects to the back of it. And on the front, you can connect a 2.5-inch ducting for up to 10 feet. That's it. Feel free to leave down in the comment section. Let us know what more you would like to know about it. Thank you.